Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love and
Hello
support.
friends, welcome back to Amazon Women's World. In this video I have come up to show you making of this beautiful cut work designing. You can try this on the neckline, also on the sleeves, using the simple technique, and you cannot believe this is so simple and easy to do. So let's quickly start with the markings. I'll be taking a piece of paper, given the fold in the center, and exactly on that fold I'll be marking the drop shape, something like this. And on these markings I'll be giving the cut. These are customized designs. You can mark as per your requirement. This is of 1.5 inches in lengthwise. Not only the drop shape, you can also try with the heart shape or something like the circular shape. It's up to you. Place it on the sleeves opening like this and give the markings of this drop shape. Ensure to maintain the same gaps. You can also try this on the necklines, like the boat neckline. You can give the markings and then mark this drop shape accordingly. Now that the markings is done, I'll be using Fevicryl gold glitter cones for this designing. So highlighting the borders of these drop shape kundans which I have given the markings. Ensure to maintain the thickness. So 3 lines thickness I'll be maintaining here. This is the first line. Next to this, the second line I'll be marking. The broadness, it depends upon your requirement because it will emphasize the design. So the thickness has to be maintained. As I said before, 3 lines thickness we have to maintain. All the drop shape will be highlighted in this way only, connecting the horizontal line in the center exactly. That is also in the same way, the thickness maintaining. This would be the center line, which is the connectivity line, which is on the neckline. It would be of boat neck, and on the sleeves this is how it looks. Once dried, the glitter cone would evaluate in this. As these are glitter projects, you need to maintain some precautions while washing, because do not scrub on this. Preferable is a light wash, and do not go for the complete wet wash. Preferable is a dry wash. And now I'll be using here the dupe stick for the burning. The complete center part has to be burnt, so be careful and do not hurt your hands, neither do not burn the fabric. This is how, little by little, concentrate on the nice and neat finishings. As I said before in the starting of the video, this is so simple design. Following this simple technique, we can also try this type of heavily designed patterns which is so expensive in the market. We can try with the spending of an amount of 25 rupees for complete designing of the sleeve as well as the neckline. And once the cut work is done, I had placed the underneath fabric of which is mustard yellow, and you can clearly see here how it looks. Really friends, it is really looking so awesome. I think you must try these type of trending patterns. And once completed, the neckline and the sleeves would look like this. So try it, because these patterns will really look so simple but yet look stylish. I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community circles, may be useful to us. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazon Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends.